Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your Microsoft Edge browser. So if you go to page settings here, you can show widgets, show feed, and stuff like that. You can even edit the background, and you can either show whether or not I have it on. You can change the region and language. You can show feed. I just have it off just because. You can also go to the settings page here, and you can go to, I'm just going to search for it because I don't, oh, appearance, sorry. Mine is at bubblegum, but you can even pick a color if you'd like to, but I just really like this color, like this pink color. There is also silky pink. As you can see, if I select it, it's going to change. Here, there's also page colors that you can choose from. I have mine off as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also customize the font and the font sizes. Here you can customize the font as well. This is the standard font here. I'll just bring it back to Times. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.